Good morning from Kauai. It's like 5 a.m. We woke up at 4. We were just on our phones, texting with Isaiah.
You texted with him?
I was.
What do you say?
We just said good morning and all that. Have a good day. It feels better today. I was so cold last night. So we're gonna get up and get ready. We showered last night, so we're going to just get into our hiking gear. I'm so afraid because it rained last night and and everyone says that the hikes are like muddy and slippery. I brought these shoes. Just kidding, I'm not gonna hike in those. I was telling Gerald that the bottles here are different. They're cute. He makes fun of me because I told him I was gonna bring my hydro flask while we go on a hike. But I don't know if I really am. Did you bring your backpack with water?
Huh?
That water with the backpack?
No.
Backpack with water? No. You didn't? What the hell are we gonna drink?
Where did I put the GoPro?
Okay guys, we only ever wake up this early for work. Not to go do physical activities. Valet just brought up our car. It's still dark out. And you guys, I've never ever been cold in Hawaii. I'm cold. So when we were leaving, the valet guy was like, you should go to Opaeka'a Falls. And then we look it up and it's a name that we were trying to, we seen it on our way out yesterday. And we were trying to pronounce it. We're like, Opaeka'a, but it's Opaeka. I love how the Hawaiian accent is, especially like especially when you see like a haole, a white guy speak it. It's like, whoa, you have a Hawaiian accent. As recommended by Tommy and Elaine, we're here at Java Kai at 6 o'clock in the morning. They're supposed to be opening, but I guess they're a little late. There's already people outside.
You can't just take pictures and video, you have to order this stuff too.
It's too sweet for early in the morning. Alright Elaine, I'm gonna have this Lilikoi bar or whatever it is for you. And we're gonna share the Kahlua pork burrito, and we got the iced Macnut latte. Okay, this Macnut latte is so good. I don't really like sweet coffees anymore, and this is just perfect. It's like not sweet, but it's not the bitter coffee, and you can taste the hint of macadamia. You like?
Yeah.
We actually got the same thing. And then I'm gonna save the Lilikoi dessert for later. Opaeka is O-P-A-E-K-A-A. And we got the Kahlua pork burrito. I asked for no onions, but they said they can't take it out, so I bet you they're like pre-made the night before or something. Let's try this burrito. Pretty good, Boots. I don't think it'll need any salsa or sauces. It's another no makeup kind of day. Letting my Gucci bags hang out, but it's okay, girl. I can't believe I'm gonna fuck up my shoes. I just got these too, but here we go. Look at all these chickens. Good morning, guys. Here at the Wailua Ahupua'a in the Moku of Puna. I don't even know if that's the right thing, but it's so pretty. Nice and green, and the sun just came up. I wish my camera can just adjust. I don't know how to use this camera after all these years. I love this tripod that Gerald bought me. for my phone. We're gonna try to take a picture, but we're trying to see if the Bluetooth controller will reach all the way over there. How do I use my watch? He's gonna get mad. He's gonna say, oh, but you don't know how to use your watch. Ooh, so pretty. It's another double one? Or it's the only double one?
Can you go down there?
You're not supposed to. But people do. How many miles is that, babe? I think we're just gonna go to the Wailua Falls and try to hike that one. Cause I don't know, I'm kind of scared of this one. But we want to take a picture of it here. Definitely a prettier view from here. Wailua River, or whatever this is, goes all the way on this side. It's so pretty and green. I just love all the lush greenery. There's like a hut looking thing down there. How do I get down there? It's so pretty. This is beautiful. I can just meditate here, but the cars are hating. This area was so pretty, but I am not hiking this Opaeka'a, and there goes my headband. Opaeka'a waterfall or whatever it is. Anyway, you guys, I'm trying to preserve my hair because I washed it yesterday, but this little Lululemon headband is not cutting it. We ended up getting stuck in traffic. I'm gonna try this Lilikoi. Is it Lilikoi or Ilikoi?
Lilikoi.
Stupid dessert that you... I continue my sentence. Anyway, it looks like some kind of cheesecake. Fuck, I sound stupid. Is it Ilikoi or Lilikoi? I should actually Google this before I vlog, but whatever.
It's Lilikoi.
Mmm. Mmm.
Did you get me some?
Can you make a share? It's so good. Elaine! Thinking of you, girl. Mmm. Did you check our tires and stuff if we're good? Gerald's like, is there civilization out here? We're trying to get to the Wailua Falls and it's very back roady, two-way, windy.
This is a rental car.
Rainy, jungly, foreigny. Where are you taking me?
Where's your navigation taking us? Oh, there is.
Civilization.
There's people.
We are literally like at a dead end and there's nobody here. Oh, this one's not as high as that other one you wanted to go to. Oh wow, it's very pretty. Very scary. So you're not supposed to go down here because of the dangerous, like, steep trek going down, and there's a ranger right there. So we're just gonna low-key look around and just explore, take pictures. Oh my gosh, you are making me nervous. Gerald, please, it just rained. Oh my gosh, trespasser over here. He's gonna check out the scenery. Oh, look at all those bugs, bro. Okay, we are trying this.
Yeah, I got 2 gallons.
But I don't see past that. I don't know if I'm this type of risk taker. I'm fucking itchy now. It's fucking raining! You guys, look how soaked we are. We were already in there And then the rain just started coming down and I said, fuck this, I'm not dying today. This shit's slippery already as it is. I'm done. So I started walking back up.
Okay, now it's sunny.
It was coming down so hard. But now you know that it's even more slipperier. It's doable. I told him if it doesn't rain overnight or tomorrow or even Sunday, I'm down to do it because it's doable down there. It's just raining. I came to Walmart dirty as fuck. Gerald's looking for like a beach hat. I got so many bug bites from that short little hike that we attempted or whatever. So I found this at Walmart. It says it's also good for bug bites, so let's try it. And look, I found one of these head wraps like I have at home. I just forgot to pack. So I get to protect my hair and cool! I'm pretty excited. Anyway, we're looking for, I can't even pronounce it. Let's see. What is it called, boots? Do you know?
Ho'opuli.
What? There's no L. Did you just say ho'opuli and there's no L? Ho'opi'i. Ho'opai. It's H-O-O-P-I-I Falls.
This one or that one?
I put on like 3 wipes of that mosquito repellent because I got so many bites. I don't know, Gerald didn't even get one, but now he's gonna put some on.
Hello, dude.
I just feel like I heard footsteps behind me.
Huh?
That was probably just us. But there's an actual trail. Ooh. Careful, honey. We should leave a trail for us so we know how to get back. It's raining again. How come nobody wants to join us? I mean, human people. Can you hold my hand? It's getting slippery.
It's raining. There's a freaking rainforest right now. See?
Oh shoot, it is. Ooh, nice and green area. It's so rainforesty, literally. It's so pretty though. The rain can stop now, please. Right or left? Left or right? Oh, look, there's a stream. Guess we're going left. He found an umbrella. Babe, I'm scared. I thought we were already here. But we took the wrong way, and that other way was so scary. We were close to that waterfall, but it was so fast and scary. So we decided to climb back up, and we found this trail. Rain again? I need a cane. Yeah, a pimp stick. I'm fucking tired. Tired as fuck already. Are we near?
Nope, we're not near.
We're getting away from the sound hole. This is so jungly.
We found people. We're hiking with people. And look. Cat couldn't hold it in. So she just let it go. She just let it go. Look, it's dripping. Again. Look, it's dripping down her leg.
You guys don't know how happy I am to see other people. That means there is a way. This is the right path. Even though I'm so dirty.
Oh, that's nice though, huh?
It is very jungly and green and dirty. I mean,
I can't believe you got
rainforest if you don't get dirty, right?
You got down and got dirty and shitted your pants.
Which way, Boots?
Which way do you want to go to?
I don't know, you pick.
Say left? No?
Left? You can turn off.
You want to go up there?
It was sweat, a lot of sweat and hard work. We literally, like, that part right here coming down from there was so hard, it was steep, but we made it. Can you see? There's that waterfall. I'm so dirty. My camera's dirty. I'm thirsty and I have to piss so hard, but this is so pretty. I'll never forget this experience. And there he goes. He went for it. I don't know. He made it to the road. Alright, now to head on back. That was a long wait. I saw you trying to put it back on. Okay, we're gonna work our way back up there. Gerald found me a pimp stick. We got dirty. We got to go up to the waterfall, do that rope thing, and now we're trekking back. But now on our way back, I'm noticing like the beauty of the forest. Because earlier we were just focused on not falling and following the trail, and now I'm just able to look around and it's so pretty. It would be peaceful if it wasn't so stressful. Kauai is beautiful. People are saying it's not a place for the kids, but we would definitely bring the kids here.
So this is where we got lost. Earlier we went
down there.
No, we went down that route. When we should have went over this big log up in the jungle. Would have been faster. So nice. Here's our umbrella. Oh, so somebody ruined their umbrella. Man, look at you.
Pro. Babe, let's take a picture of our shoes.
Well, mine's not as bad as yours.
Mine's gross. We're here at this place called Konohiki. Angela referred us here. There's a bunch of like poke and food here too. Oh, they have plates too, babe. So much food. I didn't realize that there was a line forming behind us already. Angela, everything looks so good here. I just want to try everything, but I still want to eat at other places too. Look at all these desserts. We found a little beach park area just to have lunch. Alright, from that restaurant, we bought some calamari. We got a bunch of these rolls, some poke, shrimp and chicken. So random with this spot. Can you move my hair? Thank you. Calamari is yummy. You try it? Okay, now we're here at Nani Moon Meadery and Tasting Room. We're here at Nani Moon. We're gonna do a meadery tasting. It's kind of like wine but made from honey. This is the owner, Stephanie. So she's gonna go through all of this with us, and then I'm just waiting for Gerald. We're gonna try all the flavors. I'm so excited.
So Locust Nectar is made with a native blossom honey, Ohialehua blossom honey, and mountain apple.
Ooh.
Mountain apple is a local Polynesian fruit. It's pear-shaped and has a crisp white flesh. It almost tastes floral.
Like if you know how wine to open it up, you can do that.
There's so much flavor from the honey and the fruit, so of course.
Would it change the flavor?
It's gonna open up the aroma. So this one is so nice with like soft cheeses and fresh berries, prosciutto and melon. This one is Kauai honey, Tahitian lime, and organic white sugarloaf pineapple. This one's going to be great for Vegas, beach, brunch, poolside. Yeah. Nice with a little ceviche or island poke. So just nice day drinker.
Pineapple lime.
Cheers. Okay.
What is this one?
Winter Sun. Honey, star fruit, and passion fruit. And then the bourbon undertone. The ginger spice is made with Kauai honey, star fruit, organic raw ginger, and organic spices. This one's so good with savory foods. So a short rib, wrapped with lamb, your roasted meats. We're moving into the holidays.
I was saying healthy alcohol, and she made a point. It's healthful.
It's healthful. Raw honey, lots of enzymes and probiotics.
Ooh, I let you had me at probiotics too.
So up next is Cacao Moon. This one is made with macadamia nut blossom honey, chocolate and vanilla grown on the North Shore. So we do our own roast and grind of the chocolate, so you get all these little nuances without all the heavy oils. And this is a little sample of our specialty grind for the chocolate. So it's like legit.
We keep passing by this little marketplace, so we decided to come check it out. Sample some Kauai coffee. I've never had Kauai coffee, only Kona. Coconut caramel. This is so crazy. They have a Santa Maria Style BBQ restaurant here. For those of you who don't know, we are from Santa Maria, California. That's our hometown. They even have the Santa Maria Style grill. From Santa Maria too? Yeah. So you guys are the...
From Orchid?
Orchid? Yeah, wow. He's from Orchid.
You probably went to Regalia High School, yeah.
Oh my god.
He's out there with a baby strapped to him.
Yeah. Oh, Look at the Santa Maria Style Tri-tip Small World. The owner, he's the owner. He went to Santa Maria, or to Rigetti High School around the same time as Gerald. And I found Pinot Noir in a can over at the ABC store. Oh dang, it's the works. Tri-tip with the beans over rice, garlic bread, salad, salsa.
How hard is it to get tri-tip out of it?
You know, so it's expensive? Yeah.
I always thought this was a Filipino thing. Boink. Boink. It like camouflages your shirt, so let's do it this way. Dang, that looks good though. What flavor? Huh? What flavor?
Mango. You try this one. Try this flavor.
That's good. What flavor is the white one?
Lychee.
That's probably one of the best shaved ice I've ever had.
Is it fat?
It's like
Hee
not made by
Because this is, they said it's real fruit, made from real fruit. It's not the syrup.
That's delicious. We've had shave ice in Maui, Oahu, now Kauai. Well, this one, what is it called? Hee Fat.
Hee Fat.
And this one is so good. Ooh, that's mine. We should have got them as whole fruits, but we got some pineapples, papaya, and coconut. Just bought some fruits, and look, it's raining hard now. That was like 0 to 100 real quick. Back at the hotel, just chilling by our pool. Alright, you guys. I was able to find some hydrocortisone cream. I keep wearing this jacket because it's the only jacket I have. Oh no, I think I brought like a Nike one, but it's even thinner. So cortisone, and then I was just shopping for the kids. A couple things for them, for Kalea for now. And a treat for me. We're gonna get ready for bed and go to sleep. So good night, and we'll see what we're gonna be up to tomorrow.